We have an incredible event planned for you this year. You'll be able to watch the top professional StarCraft, Warcraft 3, and World of Warcraft players compete for more than $100,000 in prizes. You will also have the opportunity to enter your own tournaments. We have hundreds of computers for you to play the latest versions of Wrath of the Lich King and StarCraft 2. You'll have opportunities to meet Blizzard developers and hear our thoughts on game development. You won't want to miss the costume, dance, and machinima contests. And tomorrow night, we'll close the show out with a bang, starting with level 70 Elite Tauren Chieftain, followed by Video Games Live. I know you're eager to get some hands-on time with the games, but there's still one more thing that we need to do. Last year's Worldwide Invitational featured the global premiere of StarCraft 2. Yes. And I know you've been wondering if we have any big news for you at this event. Well, as it turns out, we do. The world premiere of Blizzard's newest game.
It has been said. And the stench of terror drifts.